Imagine a place at the very bottom of our world. A vast white desert where the air can freeze your breath and the wind can knock you off your feet. This is Antarctica, a continent of ice and extremes, home to the coldest temperatures ever recorded. But what truly sets it apart is how a simple compass, trusted by explorers for centuries, spins wildly here, lost and confused. That's because we're near the South Pole, a nexus of natural energy where the rules of navigation break down. At the geographic South Pole, every direction you face is north. The familiar compass becomes useless. This is a world turned upside down, where the laws of direction we rely on simply don't apply. For centuries, adventurers have risked everything to reach this magnetic mystery, drawn by the allure of the unknown. Many faced unimaginable hardship, relentless blizzards, shattering cold, and some never returned. Their stories are etched into the ice, tales of courage and tragedy at the edge of the world. Today, we begin our own journey into this frozen wilderness. We'll explore why Antarctica is locked in such a deep freeze. We'll uncover the secrets of the Earth's magnetic field, the invisible shield that protects us all. We'll witness the incredible creatures that survive in this seemingly impossible place. This is a story of scientific discovery and human endurance. Welcome to the coldest, most remote, and most magnetically charged place on Earth. Here, nature's power is raw and untamed. Our planet is wrapped in a giant, invisible magnetic field, generated deep within the Earth's molten core. This field acts as a shield, protecting us from the sun's harmful solar wind, a stream of charged particles that could strip away our atmosphere. Without it, Earth would be barren, like Mars. A compass works by aligning with this field, its needle pointing north, guiding explorers for centuries. But at the magnetic poles, the field plunges vertically into the ground, and the compass needle tries to point straight down. Here, the tool that once promised direction becomes useless. The magnetic field is the reason life on Earth can exist, even if we can't see or feel it. It's a silent guardian, fundamental to our survival, and at the poles, its power is on full display. Antarctica is home to not one, but two South Poles. The geographic South Pole is a fixed point, the southernmost spot on Earth where all lines of longitude meet. The Amundsen-Scott South Pole Station sits right here, at 90 degrees south latitude. But the magnetic South Pole is different, a moving target, drifting across the ice as the molten core shifts beneath us. Early explorers faced immense challenges, navigating with compasses that pointed to the wandering magnetic pole, while their maps were drawn to the fixed geographic pole. A small error in calculation could mean disaster in this deadly environment. Today, GPS makes navigation easier, but the magnetic pole's movement still fascinates scientists. Tracking its drift reveals secrets about the Earth's core and the dynamic forces shaping our planet. The dance between these two poles is a reminder that even the most fundamental forces are always changing. The ground beneath our feet is more active and mysterious than we imagine. Antarctica's twin poles are a testament to the restless energy within our world. Here, the invisible becomes real, and the quest to understand it continues. Antarctica is the coldest place on Earth, thanks to a perfect storm of factors. Its position at the South Pole means little direct sunlight, and during winter the sun vanishes for months. Even in summer, sunlight arrives at a low angle, spreading its energy thin. Antarctica is also the highest continent, with an average elevation over 2,000 meters, making the air even colder. The vast ice sheet reflects most sunlight back into space, a phenomenon called the albedo effect. Katabatic winds, some of the strongest on Earth, race down from the high plateau, reaching hurricane force and making the cold even more dangerous. Antarctica is a polar desert, receiving almost no precipitation. The air is so cold it can't hold moisture, so what little snow falls rarely melts, building up over millennia. The ice sheet, nearly 3 miles thick in places, preserves ancient air bubbles, a frozen record of Earth's climate history. Here, the cold preserves everything, locking the past in suspended animation. It's a place where the normal rules of weather and life are rewritten. Survival here is a daily battle against the elements, and the landscape is shaped by cold, wind, and time. Deep in the East Antarctic Plateau, scientists discovered the coldest temperature ever recorded on Earth, -93.2 degrees Celsius. At this temperature, the air itself changes. Breathing unprotected air would freeze your lungs in seconds. Even carbon dioxide can freeze and fall as sparkling dust. These record lows occur only under perfect conditions. Clear skies, no wind, and a still, shallow layer of air cooling rapidly above the snow. Scientists study these extremes to understand the limits of our planet's climate and improve weather models. These pockets of ultimate cold are natural laboratories, offering glimpses into conditions on other worlds. They remind us of the sheer power and extremity of nature. Antarctica's cold is not just a number, it's a force that shapes everything here. It tests the boundaries of life and science, and it challenges our understanding of what's possible on Earth. In this frozen heart, the world's coldest secrets are kept. Despite the brutal cold, life thrives in Antarctica. Emperor penguins breed during the harsh winter, with males huddling together for warmth, balancing eggs on their feet. The surrounding oceans teem with life, fueled by swarms of krill, tiny crustaceans that feed fish, seals, penguins, and even blue whales. Beneath the sea ice, algae grow, supporting a hidden world of creatures. Weddell seals have adapted to this sub-ice world, gnawing breathing holes and diving deep in search of food. On the few ice-free rocks, lichens, mosses, and algae cling to life, growing slowly during the brief summer. In the dry valleys, microbes survive inside rocks, some of the hardiest life forms on Earth. These adaptations inspire hope that life could exist in extreme environments elsewhere in the solar system. Antarctica is a living laboratory, showing us the resilience of life. Here, survival is an art, and every creature is a master. Even in the harshest place, life finds a way. The story of Antarctic exploration is one of bravery and tragedy. In the early 1900s, explorers raced to be first at the South Pole. Roald Amundsen's Norwegian team, prepared and efficient, reached the pole in December 1911 and returned safely. Robert Falcon Scott's British team arrived a month later, only to find the Norwegian flag already there. Exhausted and demoralized, Scott's team faced a deadly return journey, succumbing to starvation, frostbite, and the relentless cold. Scott's diary, found beside his frozen body, became a symbol of courage and the human spirit in the face of overwhelming odds. Their story is a powerful reminder of the risks and rewards of exploration. Today, Antarctica's legacy is not just one of conquest, but of learning and respect for the environment. The footprints left in the endless white are a testament to human determination. The lessons learned here echo through history. Antarctica remains a final frontier, calling to those who seek the unknown. Today, Antarctica is a continent of science and international cooperation. Dozens of research stations like the remote Amundsen-Scott South Pole Station operate year-round. Life here is like living on another planet. Months of isolation, darkness, and extreme cold. The station is self-sufficient, generating power, melting snow for water, and housing everything from labs to greenhouses. For 9 months, it's cut off from the world, a tiny outpost in a sea of ice. Those who winter over must be resilient, coping with isolation and the psychological effects of endless night. Scientists study everything from the origins of the universe to the secrets locked in the ice. The South Pole's unique conditions make it ideal for astronomy and physics. Here, research pushes the boundaries of human knowledge. Antarctica is not just a place to survive, it's a place to discover. We've journeyed to the bottom of the world, where compasses spin and the cold is absolute. Antarctica challenges our understanding and pushes the limits of life and endurance. Its ice holds the diary of our planet's past. Its sky, a window to the universe. The creatures and people here are living lessons in adaptation and resilience. But this powerful continent is fragile. its fate tied to our own as the climate warms. Protecting Antarctica is about preserving a vital part of Earth's system. Let your imagination wander to this land of ice, where nature's power and beauty are on full display. The South Pole is more than a distant place. It's a testament to the persistence of life and the spirit of exploration. It calls us to remain curious, to keep asking questions, and to cherish our magnificent, mysterious planet. Antarctica's story is our story, one of wonder, challenge, and hope.